Hello friends, welcome to AZ-500 Part 3 Real-Time Practice Questions and Answers.
Question number 21. Which of the following access control options would you use to provide temporary anonymous access to a storage account? Option A, access key. Option B, shared access key. Option C, role-based access control. Option D, service key. Option E, shared access signature. And the correct answer is option E, shared access signature. Question number 22. In what two ways should application, not users, be granted access to storage account resources? Option A, access key. Option B, shared access key. Option C, OAuth. Option D, service key. Option E, shared access signature. And the correct answers are option C, OAuth. Option E, shared access signature. Question number 23. Which of the following is the correct actions for resetting the password for the SQL Server admin login that is created as part of a new Azure SQL database? Option A, Azure Portal, SQL Servers, Select Server, Reset Password. Option B, Azure Portal, SQL Databases, Select Database, Reset Password. Option C, Azure Portal, Azure Active Directory, Select User, Reset Password. Option D, SQL Query Editor, connect to Azure SQL Database, alter login command. Option E, SQL Query Editor, connect to Azure SQL Database, create login command. Option F, SQL Query Editor, connect to Azure SQL Database, login command. And the correct answer is option A, Azure Portal, SQL Servers, Select Server, Reset Password. Question number 24. Which of the following describe logging of control plane actions on your Azure subscription? Option A, metrics. Option B, diagnostic log. Option C, activity log. Option D, subscription log. Option E, tenant log. Option F, audit log. And the correct answer is option C, active log. Question number 25. What is the minimum required RBAC role required to view Azure monitor logs? Option A, security admin. Option B, monitoring contributor. Option C, monitoring administrator. Option D, monitoring reader. Option E, security reader. And the correct answer is option D, monitoring reader. Question number 26. What are the destinations available for Azure SQL Server audit logs? Choose 3. Option A, SQL Data Warehouse. Option B, Storage. Option C, Event Hubs. Option D, SQL Database. Option E, Log Analytics. Option F, Service Bus. And the correct answers are option B, Storage. Option C, Event Hubs. Option E, Log Analytics. Question number 27. You configure Azure SQL Database auditing. You select storage as the audit log destination and don't change the retention period setting. What is the effect on audit log retention in this scenario? Option A. A retention period must be specified in days up to a maximum of 3285 days. Option B. Audit logs are kept indefinitely. Option C. Audit logs are kept for the default of 90 days. Option D. Audit logs are kept for the default of 120 days. And the correct answer is option B. Audit logs are kept indefinitely. Question number 28. Describe the steps required to ensure that writing Azure SQL database audit logs to a storage destination are uninterrupted by a storage access key press. Option A. Switch the storage destination to an alternative storage account. Refresh the primary and secondary storage keys in the storage configuration of the original storage account. Optionally, switch the storage destination back to the original storage account. Option B. Stop the Azure SQL Server associated with the Azure SQL database. Refresh the primary and secondary storage keys In the storage configuration, start the Azure SQL Server associated with the Azure SQL database. Option C. No action is required. Storage keys are automatically updated for SQL data audit logs when storage access keys are refreshed. Option D. Switch the storage access key in the audit configuration to secondary. Refresh the primary storage key in the storage configuration. Switch the storage access key in the audit configuration to primary. Refresh the secondary storage access key in the storage configuration. And the correct answer is option D. Switch the storage access key in the audit configuration to secondary. Refresh the primary storage key in the storage configuration. Switch the storage access key in the audit configuration to primary. Refresh the storage access key in storage configuration. Question number 29. True or false? A guest user in Azure AD can make use the paid Azure AD features without having a member account in Azure AD. Option A true, option B false. And the correct answer is option A true. Question number 30. Which of the following statements are true when transferring the subscription ownership to another user? Select all that apply. Option A. When transferring a subscription to a new Azure AD tenant, all RBAC assignments are permanently deleted from the source tenant and not migrated to the target tenant. Option B. Self-serve subscription transfer is only available for selected offers. Option C. When transferring a subscription to another administrator will cause downtime. Option D. The offer type can be changed during the transferring a subscription. And the correct answers are option A. When transferring a subscription to a new Azure AD tenant, all RBAC assignments are permanently deleted from the source tenant and not migrated to the target tenant. And option B. Self-serve subscription transfer is only available for selected offers.